Introducing function definitions across languages.
Functions are essential building blocks in programming, allowing you to organize code, reuse logic, and clarify intent. Let's break down how to define a simple function in 4 popular languages: Python, Java, JavaScript, and C#. This cheat sheet will help you spot similarities and key differences, making it easier to switch between languages or learn something new.
Python, simple and concise. Java, statically typed and structured.
Java requires type declarations for return values and parameters. Functions, known as methods, must be inside a class. An example: public void greet, string name, this is system.out.println hello, plus name. This style emphasizes structure and type safety, making Java code robust and explicit.
JavaScript, flexible function syntax.
JavaScript allows multiple ways to declare functions. The traditional syntax is function greet name, console log, hello, plus name. Alternatively, arrow functions provide a modern, concise option. Type annotations are not required, giving JavaScript flexibility, but also less strictness about types.
C#, modern and expressive.
C# functions, called methods, require type declarations and live inside classes. Example: public void greet, string name, console.writeLine hello plus name. C# syntax is similar to Java, but with its own conventions, making it expressive and well-suited for modern applications.
Cheat sheet recap and key takeaways.
To summarize, Python is clean and requires no type declarations. Java enforces types and structure. JavaScript is flexible but loosely typed. C# combines strong types with expressiveness. Knowing the function syntax across these languages boosts your versatility and confidence when reading or writing code in different environments.